Let me tell you people, the Wanjiku will not accept this thing called BBI. Let me tell Kenyan workers, you have nothing in BBI. SRC has been given more powers. SRC will now determine salaries for public servants and send them. The role of trade union is now completely curtailed if this useless document goes through. Teachers, you have nothing. All workers in this country, we must come, ask for the disbandment of SRC, or actually making SRC a body that discusses and negotiates on behalf of government with the trade unions. You cannot give a body powers to set salaries, and that body at the same time cannot negotiate with the trade unions. So either SRC should be made a negotiating commission on behalf of the government so that it can engage trade unions, or it is disbanded completely. I can tell you teachers, you have now been properly delocalized. You have been delocalized properly. And Wake Up Sosona and the rest, let us oppose this thing with one accord. Unless they listen to us. What we have, we are not only whining and complaining. We have a strategy. Strategy number one is that this conversation that is beginning, we are going to be in the middle. We will make a bill, present before where it will be presented, whether it's on the floor of the House or where, to ensure that there is a consideration to have the Health Service Commission as a constitutional body. I want to point out something. There are about 3 bills I know in Parliament which were proposing the establishment of the Health Service Commission as a constitutional body. Why did the Building Bridges Initiative leave those 3 bills by members of Parliament? I thought they should have brought those bills together. So the Building Bridges too had already informed decisions. They have made those decisions. They are not listening to Kenyans. Wananchi walisema health irudi national, na sisi tukasema we don't want health to go back to the Ministry of Health because we were not better in the Ministry of Health. That's why we wanted an independent commission, a constitutional commission. And therefore, issue number 1, we will be in the middle of the current conversation. Number 2, we are contemplating going to court to stop the second phase of BBI if the initial recommendation in the BBI 1 that we have a constitutional commission is not included.